Yo. So we got that dump. We got that dump, man. We got that dump, man. Trying to figure out why my music's so loud. Give me a second. But yeah, we got that dump, man. Um Earlier this morning, around 5:30, 6 o'clock, we had a long set for right here. And then, yeah, I was telling you, I don't like long right there. You see, it stopped right there. Bloop, 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 bloop. Um, so we bouncing on the spider line, but I don't know, man. It's not looking too strong, dog. I had this area as area to go long too. We could come on down here a little bit. But we got this volume. We got huge volume candle, man. Huge volume candle. So I'm thinking we finna range right here for a minute. Maybe come back down. Maybe come on down here. Let's see where the VWAP is. Yeah. Maybe get another hit to the low. Sure, we could set up a long for down here. I like that. That'll give us some divergence. Maybe scalp it back to the high. If we don't continue dumping. Because we are in no man's land. But it's just crazy. We came back and gave all that price back. All that money back. Did we come back to again? Yeah. That's a good place to go long. Previous week mid. Previous week low down here. So if we break this, then we coming back down here to the low for sure. For sure. Let me post this in the group. Um, well, while Bitcoin is figuring it out, what else can we do? Let's go look at what else. Oh yeah, we closed. Can I bring up the Discord? I want to see Discord. Dogecoin broke through its spider lines. I'm waiting for it to come down here a little bit more. I mean, we could bounce from here for sure, but I feel like we can get a little bit more down. A little bit more down. That'd make me feel better. If we're looking for longs, I did not close my chill guy short. And look, I drew these inverse spider lines, and look where it came to. Like, I got to write a mind to hold this to down here because it's chill guy. What did I give? The trade I gave on the last stream this morning was big time, right before I got off. And yeah, man. Didn't waste no time. So I had this area for looking for longs, but I don't know. I don't even know what big time is. I don't even know how I got my watch list, but I shorted it. Close big time. I shouldn't have closed it. But you gotta take your money, man. Take your money. Shouldn't have closed it though. It looked like it's gonna go lower. I don't know. I feel like the alt's got another low to make. Bitcoin might come a little bit lower. Shoot, that's really all we went through. Pepe smashed through all the longs I was given that I wanted to take. Straight smashed through its spider line. Where is everything? So this is invalid. I mean, it hasn't gotten stopped out, but I didn't take this. So we're just gonna say that's invalid too. So the question is, are we really finna bounce right here? Cause you know what could be happening? Now that we got this hit to the low. Could be ready to start doing one of what a brush tool. You know I don't be using it often. Some mess like that. So I say Let these stocks do their thing until about 12:30 or whatever. Let all this settle out. But we should go back looking for longs. If where we at right now holds up. And everything just came back to their support. So like if they don't hold, well not everything. Those didn't come back. Still could come lower. Pepe could come lower. Sui. This might be all Sui give you. No cap. I'm gonna set an alert because Sui might be done. Maybe another hit to the VWAP. Yeah, we got an alert set. Probably gonna long Sui. I like Sui. We got the pullback. We've been waiting on the pullback. I was talking about the pullback before. I mean, this morning. We came straight down. Fake this out because we were long. But I'll keep this structure right here in mind. Matter of fact, I'm gonna screenshot that. Saved it to the archive. I like a long on Sui. Back to the tip. Back to the tip. Well, that's pretty much it. Look at XRP. Gave it a short on XRP. I mean, the short, you could have took any short and make some money this morning. But I gave the short. You could have took any short, but I gave the short. You could have took any of it, but I gave this one. I didn't give anything on Solana. I had a long looking for Solana, but it looks like, everything looks like more down. Like a fake out to the upside and then more down. So kind of inclined to look for shorts if we get a pullback, if we bounce from here. But I like the long Sui. Everything else looks like trash. Everything else looks like more down. XRP looks like more down. But it's bouncing on the VWAP and Spiderline with divergence and volume candle. That is the trade. So shoot. Let's see if we wick back up here. If we're going back up, if we come back down, I'll look for a long. But if this goes ahead and shoots up, I'm going to go short. I don't even like trading XRP, so I'm probably going to leave it alone. Everything else, Ethereum, we didn't even look at Ethereum earlier. There's no real reason to look at Ethereum. It's dumping like everything else. Yeah, I guess we're gonna see after let the stock focus go on lunch at 12 o'clock. Come back around 12:30, 1:30 for the next move of the day. And if we don't get no steam by then, I said if we don't start trickling up or consolidating right here and trickling up, then I'll be looking for if we go straight up from here and be looking for shorts. If we trickle up, I'll be looking for longs on a hit to the low. If we get another hit to the low. If you're in the group, you know what's going on. I'll be active and in the way. You heard? What's poppin'? I was just gonna hop off. Got any questions while I'm on here? Your boy need a nap. I ain't been asleep. Well, shoot. Yeah, I ain't been asleep. I've been up all night. Binge Squid Games. Yeah. Okay. It's starting to look like a long. Starting to look like a long for real. They make it look like a longer than they do. Some goofy thing like oh, we can draw that better. Some goofy shit like that. Trading. I trade on BitUnix and Blowfin. BitUnix is in the group. Well, both of the links are in the group, but here's Blowfin. Yeah, here's Blowfin, and we trade futures. I mean, you can trade spot. I don't really give too many spot trades, but if we get to a good place where you can buy spot, then somebody will say something. But yeah, we trade on this. This is BitUnix, and you can demo trade, so you don't have to use any real money. So if you want to sign up on Blowfin, just go to the group and click the referral, and you can demo trade, follow the trades that we take, so you get more comfortable. See what's going on. As far as charting, trading view, it's where everybody does majority of their charting, which is what this is. I actually got the app on my desktop, so I'm not like on the website. Why can't I delete this? Okay. On the website, but you can download TradingView on your phone. I recommend getting on the computer and trading if you're gonna trade, so you can see everything in a wide array of things. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. there isn't an affiliate link for TradingView, so you can just make an account on TradingView, and of course, there's a paid version where you can get more alerts and more indicators and what have you. But get TradingView. Um, get these indicators. They're free indicators, not Market Cipher. This one at the bottom is not a free, but it's just a fancy RSI. It's all Market Cipher is. All this Market Cipher B is just a really super duper fancy, expensive indicator. But you don't need all that. You can literally do what we do with the free stuff. Um, it's nice to have, but you don't need it. So yeah, my free chart is this chart, all free. And the spider lines are free because you draw your own spider line. So you just have to learn how to draw spider lines so you can see what's going on for real. But other than that, these indicators are free. I'll drop them again in the group. I know they probably lost in the chat somewhere. But yeah, you can literally just trade with this spider line indicator. RSI, you just need to know how to read the RSI for real. Because you got, for instance, this is Jasmine. Let's go Bitcoin. Even this, everybody is talking about this move this morning, how terrible it is, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, if you were paying attention, nine times out of 10, majority of people aren't trading with the spider lines. So if you were trading with the spider lines, you would have seen that we had divergence up here. You would have saw we had divergence up here, which is when price comes higher than previous price. I did not mean to get that. So right here, price came higher than previous price, but down here on the oscillator, the RSI, price did not make a higher high. It made a lower high. We came up here and made a higher high, but price didn't. But the RSI made a lower high. So that's bullish or bearish divergence. That's one indicator. The second indicator would have been, going to the low time frame to see if we had a volume candle spike. So we can do that in a second. But then the third is just the spiral line. Now, granted, this is a not drawn. This is a computer generated spiral line, but it's a spider line nonetheless. And if it would have came down here to the low time frame, you would have seen we got this candle spike. We got the divergence on the spiral line, and you could have took the short this morning. Now, since we do with scalping, 9 times out of 10 would have took profit at 1%. Anything other than 1% is just extra for real. But this 5% move doesn't happen every day. So, but you would have to play that accordingly. All this move up with no back test was screaming dump. And everybody's super bullish because we're at 100K this, then the third, but it's like, you got to be realistic. Yeah. That being said, I'm hopping off this guy. I'll be back sometime after daily close. See what we got for today. I posted some longs in the group. We already took the shorts for today. I'm not gonna close this chill guy trade. Like, I got the right amount to take a long right here on chill guy. It's been dumping so crazy. It gotta bounce eventually, right? gotta bounce eventually, right? Or is it just gonna bust through the spider line and come to the next one? Anyways, y'all have a good day. I'll be back.